If you receive an error message that says we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint when trying to set up Windows Hello Fingerprint login, then here's what you should do. Now you have to make sure that your device is equipped with a fingerprint reader compatible with Windows Hello. And this is usually located near or on the power button or in the empty space above or below the keyboard. But if you fail to find it, check your device's specifications on the manufacturer's website to see if it has a fingerprint scanner. Additionally, ensure that the sensor has not gone bad. To test the fingerprint reader, sign in to another app where you've set the biometric login. If that did not work, ensure that the Windows biometric service is enabled and configured. To do that, open Services, locate and double-click on Windows Biometric Service, click Start if it is not running, and set the startup type to automatic. Lastly, update drivers by opening Device Manager, expand the Biometric Devices category, right-click on your fingerprint scanner device, and then select Update Driver. Now you have to click on Search automatically for drivers and apply any fixes the following troubleshooter shows. So that's how to fix the following problem on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.